Hello everyone, myself Sanjana PATAGAR and I am a teacher trainee of KLE Society's College of Education, Ankola. Today I will tell you how to filter dirty water. Let's start the science experiment.
See here, this water is so dirty. Now we will filter this. For this experiment we need charcoal, sand, medium size stones, bigger size stones, cotton and bottle. First of all, make 5 to 6 holes for this cap. Then take a piece of cloth and put it like this. And then close the cap. Now take a piece of cotton and put it inside the bottle. Now we have to make 4 layers for the water filtration process. First is charcoal. Again we have to add cotton on the charcoal. Now we have to pour sand. Then put cotton on sand. And next add some medium size stones. And put some cotton on it. Lastly, we have to add bigger size stones. See, I am pouring this dirty water. See here, the clean water is coming out. Here, big stones helps to remove larger particles. Medium size stones helps to filter the medium size particles. Sand helps to filter the tiny particles. Charcoal is used to take out the bad smell from the water. Thank you for watching.